Urari muthenya wa gikeno kuri Aciari, Arutwo na arutani kuuma thukuru wa muthingi wa Maragwa magikunguira Maumirira mega ma kigeranio gia KCPE. Christine Wairimo arageire na marks 606 rere ari rita ria mbere thukuru yo kwandikithia marks ta ici.
Ndanyitire marks 406 na ningenete muno ni uhoro ucio na ngacokeria Ngai ngatho ni kunyitithia marks icio. Nijo itiganie ndingiranyitire na ona gwikira kio mathomo-ini makwa.
Ciana ici ni ithu tukunyita tuko tugicwara thukuru na ndi umwe wa aria megukomanyitire ciana ici to ni njui wega rucio rwitu ruthondekagwo ni umuthi na ciana ici nicio turenda cikoci muthingi witu wa rucio ria turenda kuga ati ni turenda kugia na pira ya ciana ino ni igutuma bururi witu ko githerema.
Maundu notagwo thukuru-ini wa Bethlehem guku Nairobi na gikeno gitinahithika hindi ya gukunguira Maumirira mega ma Arutwo thiini wa kigeranio gia KCPE.
We registered 21 400s and we thank God for that. And most of our students have got 370 to 390. They are very many, and we are thanking God for that.
Alvan Ngoke, I scored 401 marks. First of all, it was a real struggle. The pandemic turned out to be a pain in the back, but we still struggled through the ups and downs. Through thick and thin, we've made it here.
First of all, I want to thank God for giving me this opportunity to perform well in the KCPE exam. I also want to thank my teachers and parents who have been with me in every step of the way.
Kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, maundu marahanaga ta uu. Gatagati ka arutwo aria marekite wega rita riri ni Linda Muthoni na marks 418, Ephraim Munene na marks 416 na Linet Gathoni na marks 415.
Go to Mangu High because I would like to pursue aviation. I want to be a pilot.
I would like to go to Mary Hill, and it has always been my dream school since I was a kid.
Motivation all through was that I just wanted to be a good role model to the others, like my small sister and my cousins.
Thukuru-ini wa Molo Academy, murutwo wa ukuru wa miaka 13 uria kurikanite ta Kaharo Edwin aregwateire marks 423 akiuga gwikirira kio mathomo-ini nikuo kuramuteithiririe kugacira.
The teachers were cooperative. They used I used to consult them. They could not let me down. Everything that I consult, they will tell me in details.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV gitagogena wa Arutwo.